Hey guys, it's Jovi and welcome back to Jovi B Styles. Oh my gosh, so I literally just made the other video and I looked out the window. I was about to turn the AC on because you know it's hot, and I looked out the window and I saw the UPS truck. Y'all, I've been waiting on the UPS truck since Saturday. Today is Tuesday to bring my Louis. Okay, listen. So we're doing an unboxing today. I opened it real fast, but we are doing an unboxing of 3 Louis Vuitton items. Okay, a 3 Louis Vuitton item unboxing. I will eventually do a more in-depth review of the products, but y'all, I got some hard to get items and I'm gonna tell y'all how I got them. Okay, so look, so the box is here. It came from, normally when I buy my products from Louis Vuitton, I get them online. I get a lot of stuff online, but you know there's certain items, like I know there are certain items that you just cannot find on the website. You have to do some crazy dysfunction. I'm just pulling out Louis boxes. You have to do some crazy, oh my gosh. And they finally sent me a bag. Hold up. Oh my God, so let me tell y'all. They did not send a bag, okay? They did not send a bag when I ordered it online, and they did not put the bow on it. I was so excited about the bow, okay? So look, let me tell y'all how I got this, okay? So one of these items, I have 2 of the same items, okay, in different canvases. Why? Because one is for my daughter and one is for myself. So one of these is mine and one of these is hers, right? Let's show those. I'm not even gonna mess up the bow because the bow is just everything right now. I'm not even messing up the bow. I'll put that bow back on. So one, because that bow is going back on. You know how much money I spent for this stuff? Look, and see, the thing is, y'all know when you find something, you have to find it. So point is, me and my daughter was looking for these 2 items. Y'all know what it is? Y'all know what it is? I was gonna get her, this is literally her first Louis Vuitton, her first designer item. Yeah, she's 11. She's very much into style, and she's high class. She's a tourist. And you know they're into luxury and luxe, right? And I figured mommy is going to get you your first. So we were looking online, and again, we couldn't find them online. I know they are about to be discontinued. Let me show y'all. They are about to be discontinued. Look at them. They are about, this one is hers, even though I wanted to give her this one because I think this is more child appropriate, but she really wanted this one, and honestly my favorite color is white, so whatever. Ooh. So okay, so this is what happened. We kept trying to look online, right? We were looking on Fashion File and all of those places, could not find it. Okay, we found it for like double and triple the price, right? Oh my God, I can't believe I have this in my hand. So we found them, but they were like triple the price, right? I was literally about to buy it just so she would stop whining and complaining. Ooh. Is there supposed to be a pocket in here? Okay, so I'm looking at the dates. I feel like there's supposed to be a pocket in here. Or am I bugging? Maybe I'm bugging. Anyway, so, and I'm in New York City, where where normally me being in New York City would be a great thing. You know, I could always go to 57th, I could go to Saks or something and pick up whatever items. But again, the world has shut down because, you know, so we weren't able to do that, right? We weren't able to go to the Louis Vuitton store here in New York and see if they had the item, because I just assumed that the New York 57th Street store would have the items, especially since we've been closed for so long, right? New York City has been closed for so long. So anyway, this one is mine. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Anyway, so, but you know, when you call the number, no one ever answers. Okay, I have been on that phone for about 20 minutes. No one ever answers. I don't know if that's normally how it goes, or is it because of the pandemic that's how it's going down. But nonetheless, I called the store. I decided to call the store, right? I called the store, no one answered, right? And I left a voice message. The last one. I left a voice message, right? Basically saying that I was looking for this, you see this one in a big box, right? I was looking for this, and I'm looking for mini pochettes, right? I left a message. I said I was looking for this. I know they had this in the store because it was listed as being available, right, for curbside pickup or mail to you. So I told them I left a message saying I was looking for this and some pochettes. So I got a text the next day. I got a text the next day from my essay, who he's now my essay, okay, who's heard my message and was like, am I still looking for the pouch? I bought a pouch, okay, am I still looking for the pouch? And I'm like, yeah, and I'm looking for mini pochettes. He go on and on about the pouch, and I'm like, yeah, but I'm also looking for mini pochettes. And then he said, now mind you, I was literally only about to buy her one, right, just buy one. But again, knowing that these things are being discontinued, knowing that they will not be available no more, knowing that I can turn around and resell my pouch for double the price today if I feel like it, right? Even though I'm not, but I can. She sent me a picture with both of the pouches, both of the mini pochettes. It was like, which one? I said, pack them both up, boo. So he packed them both up with this, and they were supposed to be here Saturday, but you know what? Because I paid for next day shipping, but I'm not even mad. It's Tuesday, and we are about to... If you don't know already, white is my favorite color. And for those that y'all who will tell me white ain't a color, go sit down, okay? White is my favorite color, and besides white, even though pink isn't literally my favorite color, I wear tons of pink. I'm real, you know, feminine, pinky, you know, I wear a lot of pinks, a lot of, you know, flowers, a lot of lace, right? I'm a lace kind of girl, and oh my God. Do y'all see how beautiful this is? Now, I'll do a video, ooh, it's the card, the Louis Vuitton card is here. The fabric is like a suede. Oh. It's like a suede. Look at that. The Louis Vuitton is here in Paris. Wait, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Where was it made? Hold up. Hold up. Made in France. So the pochettes, I think all pochettes are made in France. Based off of what I've heard, I believe that all pochettes were always made in France or are now currently made in France. Let me look at the tags. Yeah, made in France. Yeah, I believe all of them are made in France. I am so happy that every last one of my Louis Vuitton items is made in France. I am so excited and ecstatic about this. Like, I literally only have like 2 other things that I really want from Louis Vuitton, and like, this is it. Like, this is it. Let me just look at this. You know how much stuff I'm gonna be able to stuff in here? Look at this. Look at this. I am so excited. It's beautiful. I will do a what fits in my bag and what's in my bag for all of these items, a comparison video on the mini pochettes and all of that good stuff. I just want to sniff it for a little bit, okay? I just need to smell it for a bit. Wow. It screams Jovi. If you know me, it screams Jovi. Anyway, I'm done. And I hope you live your life like it's golden, okay? Get what you want to get. And, yeah. I hope you live your life like it's golden, because there's no other way to live it, guys. Shout out to Louis.